Hello. Hello, welcome to the stream, guys. Am I audible? Just give me a quick check. welcome, guys. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. I hope I'm audible. Can I get +1 if I'm audible? Just wanted to make sure audio is right, stream quality is right. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's go, guys. Who are Sam? Like, please invite your friends too. Today will be a low probability day. We'll be navigating markets during the low probability conditions because these are the days that's gonna break your trading, break your accounts, blow your accounts. So these are the conditions where you should be like absolutely safe. So yes, please invite your friends. We'll just get started with the daily view or what I'm expecting today to happen. What is the conditions prior to the market open? Like how will this information right now which I am providing will be impactful at the market open? We'll be going through it all. We'll wait for some couple of minutes and then we'll just get started with the daily analysis and then we'll just retape. This is a pure law probability condition. Here I'm not going to execute buttons. I'm not going to push buttons here. We'll just tape read. Last day of the month, last day of the week. So you got to be careful. And also we had a huge rally or huge dump bleed yesterday. It was a nice 800 point move almost. And I just like wrote a tweet just a couple of minutes back. I wrote a tweet. So if you are following me, please go check it out. I'm gonna pull this over here. Planning to trade NQ today. Before you do, take a look at what happened on December 19th and decide for yourself. It still has the potential. It still has the potential to move 350 handles and reach the November lows, but also consider the bigger picture in terms of the weekly PO3 and monthly PO3. I did a mistake here. Yes. So what I was trying to say in the thread is that, and yeah, let it be here. So here, this was Wednesday 18th. Okay. So sorry, December 18th. And we move almost like 1,000 points, 1,000 handles. What was the next day? It was a consolidation day. Price didn't even like trade 25 percentage of the previous range. So this is how low probability it was after a large range day. The same happened yesterday. Also considering the time of the week and time of or the sorry day of the week and week of the month or day of the month, we are at a closing of this monthly candle. It will be closing if I move into monthly candle, it will be closing in 7 hours and 55 minutes. And also the main drawn liquidity was almost swept. This is previous month's low was almost swept. The next target which I'm looking is the next draw which I'm looking is these relative equal lows. These beautiful relative equal lows. These are November lows. Very beautifully engineered here. This I'm looking at for price to attack, but it could do that right away. Or considering the PO3, it could go higher and close somewhere else. So this is the kind of low probability condition I'm expecting, because like I can frame trades on the sells and for the longs. Uh, an important condition has also been met because this whenever we are looking for bullishness or bearishness at an intermediate time frame candle, okay, I'll be looking or interested in longs when the previous intermediate candle's low is taken out. The previous candle's low has been taken out and seems like we are, this is daily time frame. I'll just make it a bit bigger. So we have this sell side, previous sell side PL taken out. The same PL has been taken out in uh, ES also. We have an SMT pending, but the whole order flow is bearish, so we shouldn't be looking at bullish uh, SMT, at least for the lower time frame, right? We'll just get into the 6 hour time frame. If you look at 6 hour time frame, it's completely cooked. This is the previous day low. We'll just take it out, and if we look at the previous 6 hours highs, lows, and all, it's all staked, guys. It's all staked. You can see that the Asian session highs and lows are intact. London session highs and lows are intact, and we are trading at the NY session. Is there an SMT? Yep, there is an SMT at the highs. We are making higher highs, and here we have made lower lows. The potential of V trading lower is higher, but it need not necessarily mean that we are going to trade lower. Uh, if you guys ask me, the same 4 hour is consolidating and this 4 hour is ending in like an hour. If it doesn't take an out, then it's good to say that the move will be there after 10. The other 4 hour candle, the move will be after 10. So what do we have here, guys? We have an asset SMT. It's cooked, guys. In lower time frame, it's cooked. Uh, I'm not really sure where market is heading. This is like a proper low probability condition. So I'm just staying in sidelines. We'll just read price, guys. So if you have any doubts with my model or something else, you can ask. Yesterday I caught like my biggest trade. So if you guys have any doubts, can feel free to ask, guys. Oh, sorry, I forgot to read comments. Ezekiel, Ezekiel, why are you talking in? Appu, I thought Ezekiel was here in the stream, Appu. Shit. So it's like proper low probability conditions, guys. If you have any doubts, you can feel free to ask. What do we have here? The lows setting swept. Let's mark the opens. We have a today open where is price trading in accordance with the today open. So price is trading around today open. Not a good sign. Today open here. So price came lower, gone here. Came lower. This order block we have a today open. Order block is insignificant considering the today open. Price came to today open, not this order block. Some nuggets for you. So price came lower, gone higher, failed to take these highs because he has to call these highs. Right. He has to call these highs. Again, price came lower. Very big displacement here. Very big displacement here. And right now, price is trading at the today open, around today open. This is also a low probability condition. There are like lot of small snippets to access this low probability condition. When we let's say we have a opening price, right? It could be today open, it could be a daily open, it could be a weekly open, monthly open, or maybe 4 hour open, 6 hour open, hourly open. So we know that we have time frame alignments, right? For 4 hour it would be 15 minutes, for 1 hour it would be 5 minutes, for daily it would be an hour, for weekly it would be 4 hour, right? So let's say an intermediate time frame candle opens and we are planning to trade that particular candle's PO3. So whenever price moves away, comes back through it, goes higher, comes lower, and again get backs, again goes over and come to it. When price comes multiple times and touches this two-day open or prices or any opening price, in case if price comes and refers to that particular open a lot of times, that's a proper scenario of it being a low probability condition. At that time, you should not be looking at that particular condition, and you just have to wait for that candle to complete or that particular PO3 to end, and you should be trading the other PO3. So right now, what do we have, guys? What do we have? Okay. Feel like the price is weak and it wants to move lower. Let's get the chat engaged, guys. If you have any doubts, you can ask. There is no candle closure, right? So 15-minute time frame is absolutely cooked. Absolutely cooked. Nothing here to do. We are gonna sit in hands and just we'll have some night chat. Anything interesting? How was your week? Let's engage. Let's engage. How was the week, guys? For you guys, how was the week? You are ending in profits or you are ending in red? If you are ending in red, what was the reason for you ending in red? 4 green days after the Lada model. Win win. Glad it's working for you guys. Because as an ICT trader, no, let me tell you the hard part which I endured, like which I had to face when I was studying this ICT. Okay, so when I was studying ICT, like what ICT refers or what ICT preaches is precision. If you guys don't know, he'll be asking you to sell short in retracement when price is going higher, or when price is going lower. If you're looking for shorts, you should be selling the retracements which is going higher. Okay. So this was hard for me to digest, and I'm not a trader, or like I don't enter a trades when price is moving against me. I'll be comfortable waiting for some confirmations, and I'll be entering in expansions only. Like as you can see, price came lower, again gone higher. It's a pure rage bound market. We had the week indecision week. Nothing is sort of uh looking high probability today. Better just chill out in the stream. Never try to take executions. Okay, I'll just continue with the story. When price is going higher, I have to short, shell short, or when price is going lower, I had to like long. That's not working for me. I tried so many times. I just enter trades when price is approaching an FEG, or I'll be selling short when highs are taken out and lows are like I'll buy when the lows are taken out. This was not at all working for me for a fair 1.5 years, 2 years of time. It's good to say that I have my model now, and I discovered my model like couple of months back. Before that, I was profitable, but whenever I tried entering like trades when it is moving against my original bias, that's not for me. So what I do is like I just wait for the expansions followed by retracement. Let's say we have an early, let's say we have an FEG. We are not sure that whether price is going to react off of this FEG itself. There could be another FEG, or there could be some sort of order block or another PDRA which you are looking at or considering as your POI. Price need not like come directly to this FEG and then bounce from here. So what I do is like when price approaches this FEG, I'll not directly long here, because there is high amount of chances like price could trade through this FEG, go higher, take support at this consequent encroachment or any quadrants of this FEG, higher time frame FEG, and then go higher. So what I do right now is I just wait for a POI. A POI in the sense like any sort of PDRAs which are looking for you to support your narrative. When price comes to this, I'll never do longs. I'll just wait for an SMT inside this PDRA. I'll look for prices to show support. I just wait for price to close above or any PDRA like this signature. Price comes over, again expands. So that's where I'll engage in trades. This is basically 2022 model. Like, but people doesn't know this importance of this model until like fair amount of time. If you don't have the experience of working with normal ICT concepts for a couple of years or three, this 2022 model doesn't make sense, guys. So this is how I just enter trades. Again, if you guys can see, we are still inside this range. I'm not gonna shift. Let's look at the end dog here. Okay, that's your end dog. Today's price here. That's your end dog. I'll just mark my end dog. So price is staying below end dog, meaning the longer it spends time below this end dog, there is high chances of us getting to the lows. First FPG, I'll change this color alone. Okay. So we have our 6-hour candle here. I used to have this every time, but for the sake of not having too much in the charts, I'll just remove this. I'll go to 3-minute time frame. Nothing. So this is my normal chart layout. So this is my 5-minute. I have my 15-minute monitored here. I have another monitor where I'll be looking at only the opening price, like the regular trading hours. This is my normal chart layout, guys. Pure clean, I guess. Yeah. So this is your end dog. I have no idea where price is going. I have literally no idea where price is going. So yes, I'll just come to comments. Mahesh bro, you deleted your comment. Sorry, just now I saw. I can see that when the chat, like the message is deleted. So still, if you want euros outlook, I can give you 4 green days after load amount. Okay, bro. Can you tell how you look for entry at 9:30 open? So okay, I'll just go through this 9:30 open. We have like 10 more minutes. So I'll just go through this 9:30 open and what could happen at 9:30 open when price is behaving at some signatures. Okay. Okay. So let's say we have our 8:30 open. Sorry, 9:30 open. Two things can happen, guys. Okay. Two things can happen. And the high probability condition for you to consider the gaps is gap. We should be opening at a gap up or gap down. Okay. Whenever there is like flat opening, whenever there is like price opening in consideration with the same previous day's close, it's low probability condition for you to consider that two models. High probability conditions for using those two models which I'm going to outline right now is gap. Proper gap. We need a huge gap up in considering the previous uh, close or previous open. We need like a huge gap up or down, either way. Okay. We have two models, and shout out to engineer. I been using this concept, but without giving a prop. You don't need the name for sure, but engineer gave me the names like deceiver and deception. But basically, you don't need those names. Okay. But shout out to engineer for making this concept popularized. It has helped me in a huge way. Okay. So whenever there is a gap up or gap down opening, we'll have the example of gap up openings. Okay. Two things can happen. Eliminate bias. Don't have any of it in your mind. Okay. Just with the open mind, approach this. We have this is our previous day's close. I'll have this red. Okay. This is your previous day's closing price. Market opens at a gap up. So I'll just put this green. Market opens here. This is your 9:30 opening. How do I do that, guys? Okay. Wait. This is your 9:30 opening because I have the template marked. Okay. So this is your 9:30 opening and this is your previous close. Let's say price opens at a buy side liquidity with NQ, and in MN like ES price has not swept the size or opened above the size. We can expect price to fade the complete gap and come lower. So whenever price opens at a buy side liquidity and your order flow is bearish, so you can expect price to come completely fade this gap. So this would be the gap, right? This to this would be the gap. And just this, okay. This to this would be the gap. So whenever price opens, I'm not talking about price directly like opening here, get attack this buy side. I'm directly telling you that price opens higher. I'm just gonna show you an example for this. Price opens higher, collects all this liquidity at the open itself, and completely fades this gap. Okay, so completely fades this gap. This is called as deception model. For an example to show you guys, we had this in yesterday's Nvidia chart, and that was the reason for me going complete short. Okay, regular trading hours. Okay, this was the reason for me to see. I have it in my chart smart. This was the reason for me to go shorts, and we are talking about a gap down opening now. ES like NQ, what it's doing? Damn. Okay, perfect short setup. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna see. See, this is not a trading call. Okay, please never take this as a call. Whatever I'm doing here is for educational purpose only. I just want to show you guys the way I trade, but this is not the right condition for us to trade. Okay, no proper nothing. Okay, so we have sales. Okay, this is okay. I'm looking for shorts. This could potentially be the highs where I don't want price to be going again. And okay, let it be. Okay. The price has opened higher. We were talking about fading the gap, right? Price opened higher. Nvidia's news was there. Price opened higher. The gap was here, right? The gap was here, and the gap is completely faded. And we'll be now targeting the previous PM sessions highs or lows first, and then the AM sessions lows, and the previous PM session lows and the AM session lows. Likewise, it would be going on. The second condition, what could happen is, let's say price previous close is here, right? Previous close is here. Market opens at a gap up. Okay, this is your 9:30's opening bell. Price opens at a gap up, and the first thing we should be doing is, when price opens, we are going to mark the quadrants. We're going to split that gap into four ideal parts: 25%, 50%, 75%, and complete gap fill. When market is like extremely bullish, market the order flow is bullish in daily time frame, price could come lower, and there is a high chance that it could trade to 50% of the gap, show us an SMT around that 55%, and then it could go higher. This is rebalancing some of the gap and then going higher. Now this left price would act as a later draw, maybe in later part of the time. So these are all these two things which could happen in this opening. So now we are talking about a gap down opening in Nvidia. Market is opening at a gap down, and I can see that price going higher. I'm not taking this trade. This was a paper trade to see if my kind of bias looking at Nvidia is right. Okay. I'm eyeing off of this sell side now, Nvidia's. You can see that market is going to open lower in pre-market conditions, right? Market is going to open terms of pre-market condition. This is just me reading price. I want to see price taking all these lows at the market open. At the market open, I want to see all this fleshed out, and then again we could take these lows and then go higher, attack this high side, because its market is in range. That's a simple idea of me executing this trade. This has to be considered as financial like educational purpose only, and not a financial advice. I'm not a certified financial advisor, so this is my speculation that market could go lows. That's the ideology. Because Nvidia is going lower, Nvidia is opening gap down. If you are trading NQ, I'm sharing some alpha here. This is going to be very, very helpful in your trading analysis. Like if you're trying to trade 930's anticipation move, if you are expecting a huge gap down or gap up, how you enter? Like what conviction would you have? Like what conviction would you have? This is the only conviction you have. Sell, of course. Nvidia is going to be your indicator, right? This is what I'm looking at in price. Let's go. That's what I was talking about. Let's go. Now it's safe to say my stop loss would be here, the lows. I mean the previous candle size, because considering that we are in a low probability condition, I don't want price to trade higher, price closing below this inversion FEG and all. My target would be all these lows. Okay, but another thing to consider is price taking this lows and making an SMT. We have SMT at the highs. I'm not gonna trade today, but this is gonna be a paper execution anticipating Nvidia's sell off or gap down opening. We have 1 more minute. I want price in Nvidia to take all these lows, and I feel NQ could go all the way lower. But the thing is, like, ES, SMT with ES. I'm not taking anything, but yeah, let's see. I want lower prices. It could get stopped, but I want to see a closing below. Let's see, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. That's an order block as well. That's an order block as well. Higher chances. I'm not managing my trade. This is not me managing my trade. I want to see lower prices. I've executed something. I don't like reading just the charts a lot. At least paper would make sense. I'm not the guys who like execute paper for sure. Even if I execute in paper, I'll not be posting it in Twitter for boasting sake. But today I would do so because of me doing it live. 9:30 is open. 9:30 is open. My stops at break even right now. Let's look at Nvidia, right? Let's look at Nvidia. My TP would be all these lows. Let's look at Nvidia right now. What did I tell you? Like price opening gap down. That gave me this. How much? Wait. That gave me this 20-30 handles. This is not an ideal probability condition for us to trade, but still okay. Now we are getting stopped because of all the SMT there, but still we look for the sells. Now we have our gap opening. Let's see if it fades this gap or partially does something, right? That's what I was talking about. Yeah, let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go. This is demonstration purpose. If I was executing, I would be very like I'll be executing only when I feel like it's very high probability condition for me to execute in life. This is paper. I'm just completely fine with that. The stop loss management was perfect. There could have been no reason for price to come all the way highs, take the high, like 1 minute candles highs and then come lower. It was perfect management according to me. Let's go, guys. How was the session? Today open 8:30, open 0.5 levels, rejecting price higher. I'll check it out. I That's it, guys. Simple as that. Easy. Like, bro, this is it. Simple. This comes with experience. This is simple, easy. This is your 8:30 opening, and also that condition where we'll be looking at 50% of prices. It was rejecting off of this 50%, of course. So yes, guys, that's it for today. I did it live. My management was not good because it's not my trade. I want to see that prices getting lower, and I did it. This is how you do it in live, guys. I was not about to trade today because it was, of course, low probability condition. But this one candle, I guessed it right. This one fucking candle, I guessed it right. It was not 20, 30, 40 point move. It's a 100 handle move. 100 fucking handles move. So you can't say shit about me, right? You need guts to call price live, guys. Simple. Still, what people would do is like I'll tell you. People will do that, see the highs, see the lows, without applying this execution mark. If it was not me, people will do this. Screenshot this, post in Twitter, right? Posting in Twitter that I got this 100 handle move. Fuck your 100 handle move. Fuck you and a 100 handle move. We could see that these lows are coming, but yeah, I'm at very highs in terms of equity for this week. I'm not gonna do shit. People does that. People does that. I have seen people who do that. Mine was at a stop right. This was stopped out. This was paper. I told you. Like last execution which I did was in my top step. Like sorry, MFFU's live account. The payout I've received it. But people does this. Trust me, people does this. People I knew have did it, and even now they are doing it. Please don't fall for everything which you say in Twitter. Twitter is such a shit place. If you want to like improve yourself, get the fuck out of Twitter. Bro, I'm completely frustrated, bro, because of all these gurus. I've been doing this shit for 3 years. People who have been with me know. I've been only trading this NQ shit for 3 years. Right. This is not boasting, guys, because I've never saw like I did sell course, but that first time it was the first and last time because I realized that it's not the right thing. I just stopped from there. I provided everything for free. Whatever I feel uh, it's right, I've been doing things for free. I've never charged a penny in my 2 years of experience. I've never charged a penny. Whatever I knew, I've been posting it in Twitter, in YouTube, a complete lecture without getting anything, without expecting anything. I've never expected anything from anyone. Everything for free out of goodwill, you can say. Easy, bro. Easy. This is how we do it live. See, I have plans of doing trades only in live, like Nine does, like Bray does, like Kane does, like uh, what? Whom else? Whom else? Whom else? Whom else we talking about? Um, who are the live streamers, guys? Let me know who are live streaming and trading only in live. Only in live. I'm not talking about YouTube, private Discord communities. Like that takes a lot. That takes a lot. I'm not there yet. I need some execution. I have to build discipline and all. Bro, this gives you so much confidence, bro. Guessing all this like gives so much confidence. My management was not right because I was not in the trade. Like I was not letting the trade breathe. Simple. I would never post paper executions again. I like I promise you. Not even paper executions. It would be in live or it would be in evals. Crazy session, guys. Crazy session here. This was almost guessed, and right now we could go to the highs. I feel because the rejection is hard here, bro. Seriously, what I expect is some sort of uh comments, some healthy convo. That is the only thing I expect from all of you guys. Simple. Just have a healthy relationship with everybody. Don't boast. Be humble. Like if people have doubts, just clear it. Of course, it's your time. You can monetize your time, but charging what 500 thousands of dollars for a single class, that's awful, bro. If someone is providing class and they're doing it live, no, that's completely worth it. Even if it's $1,000, $2,000, it's worth it. Like if they're doing sitting with you in live, taking trades in live, that's completely fine. But bro, these gurus know, like this thing, I can package it into a video. Whatever I spoke today, the deception model, the fade, the partial rebalance and takeoff. How do you use Nvidia with NQs opening for you to guess the 930 opening anticipation price? Right. If I could properly edit it, package it into a video, market it properly, I could sell this course for like easily. I can make a revenue like 10K, 15K. Easy. Trust me, easy. It's easy. Selling courses to Indian people is so easy. Just be humble, guys. Just be humble. Remember who taught you all this. Have a sense of gratefulness. Who introduced all of this shit to you. Just be humble, guys. Teach everybody. If someone has doubts, if it is like valid doubts, you can clear. Being in a community, this is what like I expect from you. Simple. I guess I have not shared it in Twitter also. So I've just shared it in the CFT's Discord and our Discord. The most of the people who are watching live right now would be from our Discord only, right? I can see all the names. Thank you for all the comments. I can see all the names. Like whoever is in the stream, just forward the stream to your furus who are not able to trade. They know like they are not able to trade, and the information which someone has got from video is immense. Thanks to Teddy, he taught me. I'm very humble. I'm very humble. Complete thanks to Teddy and Future Trader Bro. From them, I got this Nvidia concept, and Getting that NVIDIA concepts from them, I studied so much. I did all of this, collected data, when trade, when not to trade, this correlation between NQ and NVIDIA. All these have developed. But initial like state, they taught me everything. At the 9:30 open, there are only two types of entries. Or there any other types, bro? Can you drop some gems about it, bro? Be specific, bro. Be specific. I'm not able to get your question. Be specific. There is not two entries. Like this is the models which are there. You can use it, but you have to know when to use these model and when not to use these model. That's there, bro. This shit is giving me so much of confidence, bro. Seriously, this is such a masterclass, guys. How was the week? How was the week? Let's get all the stress off. How was your week, guys? How was your week? Sri Rishikesh is doing great. He's milking his top step. Shri Chris is doing great. The other guys, I'm not really sure about, because they I've been talking to these guys in daily terms. I really love to see other people join in Discord, because like the streams in our Discord itself, like uh user Shri Rishikesh, right? I did tell that, right? Shri Rishikesh. Ah, bro, I seriously love this shit, bro. Tan 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 tan. Bro, that confidence kicks in, bro. When you are able to call markets live, no, that is a different kick, bro. Seriously, calling markets live is something else, guys. Ah, okay. What do we have here? What Nvidia is doing right now? Nvidia, if closure right now, it's looking heavy only. We are in 3 minute time frame. Even now, it looks heavy, but if it closes below this previous candle's low, we are talking about this 113 levels. But right now, even if this shit looks bearish, and we don't have any proper SMT, but let's see. But the confirmation would be it closing below the previous lows, or it could completely go higher, target these size. I'm not sure, because the opening drive is done. Now we have to wait until at least the macro or other are opening. Wow, wow, what a live, guys, what a live. Today I'm just chilling, no trades. Yeah, sure, bro. Like you have to do this, bro. Like you should force yourself not to trade while looking at such PA. This was a 100 handle drop rate. We could have easily capitalized. My model was there. You've been asking, so many have been asking me about the Lauda model. Lauda model was here. I took entry. I was like, I didn't notice it properly. Here would have been your Lauda model entry. Uh, this even this even would have been your Lauda model entry, but you would have pissed your ass off. Proper Lauda models entry would be here. Your stop loss at the previous candle's highs. Your TP here. Easy 3 and like 3R. That would have been my trade if I was trading. Like I would have positioned myself prior to the news, or even like I've entered here. I would put my stop loss at these highs. I would have not managed my trade, macro manage my trade. These are all the possibilities of RRs we are talking about. Even if it was like this candle size, it's a 2.6R trade. I'll be risking like $250 to make some 625 $650. That's A very good trade for a day. Speaking about 50% win rate trading 5 days, it would be 650, 650, 300, 150, 150, and we are talking about 1,500, $2,000 a week. But for trusting this shit, you need experience. That's it. I experienced that on my friend live, sir, but I miss you. எதியா சொல்ற? நான் கவனிக்கல. இப்பதான் பார்க்கிறேன். Today I'm chilling. Okay. Anything else, guys? If you have any doubts, we'll do it, or yeah, we'll just sit out, or we'll end the stream here. If you guys have like something, you can ask me, or else we'll just close the live. I'm done, guys. I'm very happy today. Very massive month, very massive week. Today was an interesting day for sure. Ha, fuck all your PDF gurus, guys. I'm telling it in live. They doesn't know how to trade. Looking at charts, analyzing is different. Calling price is different. Executing what calling is different. It takes so much, guys. It takes so much. No, 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 no. I told no, I'm not gonna enter trades in my life. I just told you are late to the stream. Yes. I told that I'll not be executing today in live. This was a paper execution I wanted to show, but I macro managed the trade. But yes, it hit the TP. This low was we were talking about these lows. It was it. Damn good grade. Damn good day. Feels so good. Feels so good. Okay, Sheik has taken the trade live. Shout out to him. Vika bro has taken the trade live. Great. Two people. Nice. Ah, okay, guys. I guess I can see the engagement dropping. I guess it's it for the day. And have a happy weekend. I'm gonna make a proper video on how to use this Nvidia shit. Uh, I guess I'm not gonna do that. I guess I will because my mind doesn't allow me. If I find something, I'll just post it to you guys so that it could be useful. But I don't know how to structure this because I was live today and I was expecting something and it happened. But how would I tell you that I'm like this is how you should be doing it when price is like has done no, it's no use. Like it's no like no use. I don't know how people would be taking that hindsight shit. Are people no? To be honest, they are not really good in terms of the IQ. Seriously, we try helping them out, but uh, mm, they doesn't take it easy. Even if they help them, they are there to curse us. That's kind of hurt, guys. That hurts. But that's fine. That is completely fine. Yes. Okay, guys. I guess it's the end of the stream. I'll be looking you in another stream next week. I really feel like I want to take a loss to just set the mindset right, because see, technicals is one thing. Using your technicals is other thing. Managing your trades is another thing. That's a piece of art. I'm not there yet. I'm not the best trader which is available there outside in Twitter or YouTube or whatever. There are very, very good traders who use simple concepts and make hell lot of money uh, other than me. Just I wanna create an account moving forward. I wanna create an account. I should do things live and I should track my performance in live. I have to do that. Not now, not immediately, but we are talking about this around April. April, we're getting an account. I'll be trading weekly one live with CFT. So we are talking about a big risk trades. I wanna see how I perform live. I just want to track that, because my goal for the post graduation is I'm feeling like I have to do live streams full time. So before getting into full time, I have to make sure I should handle things right. I should never get into tilt mode. I should be patient for my setups. I should execute flawlessly without any FOMO or desperation or any other influence. I should never bring my personal influence into charts as well. So that's work in progress. I guess we'll be there this year. So we are set for next year. The thing is, we should be learning from our mistakes, try not to repeat our mistakes, review journals every day, every week, and every year, sorry, every monthly or quarterly basis. Improve and be a better person than the previous day is the goal. I want to do things live. Uh, yeah, not now immediately, but yes, in the future. This is what I'm planning to do. And let's go, guys. It was a nice live stream today. We'll be doing another live stream next week. So hope things go, guys. Go good. Enjoy your weekend. I love you all, guys. Without you guys, I've never been here. It all thanks to you. Bye, guys. Bye, bye.